The future continuous tense is used to describe an action or event that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Here are some details about this tense, along with examples. 1. Structure. The future continuous tense is formed by using the auxiliary verb will followed by the present participle, ing form, of the main verb. 1. For example, I will be studying or they will be traveling. 2. Usage. The future continuous tense is used to describe actions or events that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. 2. It is often used to describe a planned activity or to make a prediction about something that will happen. 3. Examples. 1. I will be taking a nap this afternoon. 2. They will be playing soccer at the park tomorrow. 3. She will be cooking dinner when we arrive. 4. We will be watching a movie tonight. 5. He will be studying for his exam tomorrow morning. 1. Negative form. To make a negative sentence in the future continuous tense, use the auxiliary verb will with not and add the present participle of the main verb. 1. For example, I will not be working or they will not be singing. 2. Question form. To form a question in the future continuous tense, invert the subject and the auxiliary verb will, and then add the present participle of the main verb. 2. For example, will you be attending the party tonight? Or will they be studying for the test tomorrow? 3. Contractions. The contracted form of will and not is won't. 3. For example, I won't be going to the concert tonight. 4. Time expressions. Some common time expressions used with the future continuous tense include at this time tomorrow, at 5 p.m. tomorrow, next week at this time, and in a year's time. 5. Examples. 1. At this time tomorrow, I will be taking a test. 2. She will be finishing her project next week at this time. 3. They will be celebrating their anniversary in a year's time. Overall, the future continuous tense is used to describe an action or event that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. It is important to understand its structure and usage to communicate effectively in English. Examples of future continuous tense. Certainly, here are some examples of sentences in the future continuous tense. 1. This time tomorrow, I will be flying to Paris. 2. They will be having dinner at a fancy restaurant tonight. 3. She will be dancing at her sister's wedding next week. 4. We will be watching the sunset at the beach tomorrow. 5. He will be playing soccer with his friends at 3 p.m. tomorrow. 6. By this time next year, I will be working in a new job. 7. They will not be attending the conference next week. 8. Will you be studying for the exam this weekend? 9. The kids will be sleeping when we arrive home. 10. In a month's time, we will be celebrating our wedding anniversary. Top of form.